Hello everybody. Good afternoon. And if you're listening to me in the morning, good morning. So, on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can prepare a bottle. You know, when you have a cold or pain in your body. Like, when you put your feet on the floor barefoot, sometimes you catch a cold. In Haitian style, they say that, I don't know how to explain that in English, but Haitian people, when they say you have a cold, it's like your foot might be hurting you, your arm. You have to drink something very hot or something strong to stop that. So that's what we talking about today. Preparing a bottle so you can drink anytime you're feeling the pain and anytime you have a cold too. We Haitien yo, tant qu'on nous kawe, nous utiliser du vin, nous utiliser cannelle. This thing, I don't know how you call it. This one. Well, I think you guys know it too. So yes, we use red wine. And the green leaf right there, in Haitian we call it lani. But yes, also I don't know the name in English. They sell it at Publix. So as you can see, we're gonna prepare the bottle. Like, we're gonna put everything in this big bottle you see back there. The barbecue bottle. Yes, this bottle. So we wash the cinnamon. We're gonna put it in there. So we're gonna put all ingredients in there. Right now I'm putting the cinnamon. This is cinnamon. And the first one that I put was anise star seed. I just looked at the name. It was anise star seed. NA. Yes. I'm trying to break it because it couldn't fit into the bottom. I said, this is very good for your body when you have a cold. You can drink it up and you're gonna feel very good, and your pain is going away. This is garlic. I'm gonna put the garlic inside the bottle. Right now she's putting this leaf. That one, I don't know the name, but in Haitian we call it lani. You can buy this at Publix. And then now I'm pouring the wine. That's red wine. You mix them all together and then you give it a shake. And then you let it sit for a while before you start drinking it. Now I'm putting ginger. Shake it, and everything is done.